Hello and welcome from Hikvision. I'm Matt Rose and I look after vertical pre-sales here at Hikvision. Today we're looking at HikCentral visual tracking, which is a free of charge feature on our HikCentral software platform. So what is HikCentral? HikCentral is a software platform for integrating security systems. The idea is that it meets a variety of security challenges in one intuitive, easy to use platform. It combines multiple systems under the single unified architecture, including video security, access control, ANPR, and quite a lot more. If you haven't used it before, you can give it a try by downloading the software and using a free trial license from our website. So that's HikCentral. What then is visual tracking? Well, visual tracking is a free of charge feature on HikCentral which can be used for all connected cameras, regardless of the device model or how the camera is connected. If it's on the system, it can take advantage of visual tracking. What does visual tracking actually do? Its core function is to allow the user to track people or moving objects across different cameras and export all of the relevant footage in a single video clip. For example, let's say a child was lost in a shopping centre. Traditionally, you'd need to spend a lot of time digging into the different feeds of different CCTV cameras one by one. If you're lucky enough to find some relevant footage, you'll need to export all of the separate video files one by one for each camera. However, with visual tracking, you just need to locate the first camera footage, which captures the child, say, at the entrance to the shopping centre. Then you can easily track them when they move to the next camera field, right up to the most recent camera which has viewed them. In this way, you can follow their full trajectory across different cameras and export all of that relevant footage in one single video clip. So how does it work? As I mentioned at the beginning, visual tracking is a pure software feature which works for all cameras. So the key is in the software configuration. When cameras are added to HikCentral, you can create geographic relations among them by placing the shortcut icon on the thumbnail of each camera. If you do this when you're viewing a camera in live or playback, you can navigate to a different camera just by clicking on the shortcut icon on the image. The good thing is that visual tracking is supported not only in live view and playback, but also in HikCentral's Alarm Center, where you can immediately track your suspect and better handle the alarm. Check out this video to see how it works in action. Okay, so let's have a look at visual tracking in operation. So we've got our live view up on the screen at the moment, and what we'll need to do is enable visual tracking. I'll turn it on, and we can do that by clicking on the two little feet which are located on the bottom right hand side of the camera image. So we click on the two little feet, that brings up the visual tracking window. As we can see, we've got a thumbnail on the top edge of the screen. We're following our target out of the scene, and then we'll click on the corresponding icon to bring up the next camera image. And then we will repeat that process until we've finished following our target. So all of our corresponding images will appear adjacent to the main image here. Now we can have a look at the exported footage as well. So we should see one complete long continuous clip from camera to camera, following the target all the way through. So let's have a look at that now. So, what are the benefits of using visual tracking for end users and installers? It's all about efficiency and time saving. As an installer, it's super straightforward to set up, and it only takes a few minutes to finish the configuration on HikCentral's web client for the end user. And for end users, instead of going through all of your cameras one by one, hoping to find the relevant footage and then exporting several inconsistent video files, the user only needs to view the relevant footage from a certain camera and then navigate along with the subject accordingly. And if there's a real-time alert coming through, the end user can also handle the threat promptly, with a thorough investigation across the different cameras, following the suspect as necessary. And finally, it's again worth emphasising that visual tracking is a free of charge feature for all cameras and doesn't require any kind of additional license. I hope you found this brief product demonstration video useful. Don't forget to visit our website as shown below at hikvision.com/UK. If you want more information, including additional demo videos, search for Hikvision UK Technical Support on YouTube and you'll find an ever-expanding library of short guides to choose from. Bye for now.